This is a demonstration on how to use a compass. This is a compass, and it is a mathematical tool that is used for drawing circles. What you're going to need is a pencil that has a sharp point, so don't put a pencil in that has a blunt point because then you'd have to take it apart to sharpen it. What we're going to do, you twist this open, you see the opening there, that is where you're going to push your pencil into. But before you tighten it, you make sure that the pencil point and the point of the compass are at equal length to each other there, so you can see there. And just as you get that, then tighten that screw so that the pencil does not move. Now when you open up the compass, that is the radius, which means that that is the half size of a circle that you're going to draw. The wider you open it, the larger the radius, which means the larger the circle. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to use this. You've got a handle there, but for those of you that are very new to using the compass, I'm going to show you an easy trick. So find where you want to do, how wide you want your circle and where you want to draw your circle. And this is how I would draw mine. And I put pressure, I'm holding the handle at the top, but I'm putting pressure on the point and I'm turning the pencil around. But for those of you that are new to this, I would hold the point, the handle or the point down and bring my pencil around, and actually by just holding the point down I can just turn my paper, and there I have drawn two circles. Do not hold the compass by both legs, because if you do, what happens is it starts to close and then you're going to get an uneven circle. So always hold the leg that has the point or the handle part there. You do not need to hold this part. And if I just demonstrate one more time, for those of you that are new to this, hold your point leg and turn your paper. And once you get more confident, you can actually just hold the top part. And there is how to use one of these mathematical tools, a compass.